all wind. Not only is it cold, wind comes out of the north that way. You don't have any fish to stop it. So it can be very, very blustery in the winter time. Yeah, we have a couple of years up around this. You heat the tire up to about 450 degrees, it expands enough they can then flip it over the wheel center and let it cool on. When it's hot enough, not only will it be big enough to slip on, you also have probably easy as 16th to 3/32, maybe an 1/8 inch of clearance. And if it goes on straight, you don't need to hammer it on, it will just slip right on. You then clamp it in place and let it shrink down. Now her wheels are about 56 inches in diameter. The largest wheels we have turned and also put tires on are 80 inches in diameter. So 80-inch diameter tires are also about 4.5 inches thick. Can you guess how long it took to heat it up? Now keep in mind, the way we heat it up is take a ring, wrap it around the tire, and we use propane and compressed air and have holes blasting flames on the tire every 3 to 4 inches apart. Can you guess how long it takes to heat up the tire?
I don't know. 5 minutes or 10 minutes?
You're real close. The maximum we want to do is about build it. Coming back down to it. Same thing's happening in the boiler, so the hotter the fire is, the more convection and more circulation of water you have in the boiler. In the beginning of the day, you don't have much circulation because the boiler is not really hot. That means most of your debris is actually settled down at the bottom. So we'll do these bottom boilers.
Before you guys get down, you can see.
That's hot as heck.
Okay, come over here and you can blow the whistle. Stand up on here and give yourself a little height. It's going to get loud.